Healthy Cooking with Emily. I hope you enjoy cooking this recipe that is delicious and healthy too. It's easy and fun and great for beginners and kids who are looking for a quick and simple dish to make. On my channel, you will find other videos of recipes varying from crustless quiche Lorraine to chocolate chip clouds. Always remember, when eating healthy, you can't go wrong in keeping your body nice and strong. Start by breaking up a 1/4 cup of angel hair pasta. I broke the pasta into pieces about 3/4 of an inch long. Melt the butter or heat the olive oil in a deep skillet over medium heat. I decided to use olive oil. Add the 1/4 cup of angel hair pasta and then add the cup of brown instant rice. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes until toasted and covered in butter or olive oil. Now add 2 cups of chicken broth and bring to a boil. Once it boils, reduce heat to simmer and cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the rice is tender and the broth is absorbed. Once all of the chicken broth is absorbed, remove the rice from the heat and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then fluff with a fork. Making this dish is a great way to enjoy rice. By choosing to eat brown rice over white rice, you are choosing to eat more fiber, minerals, and vitamins. This recipe also doesn't have a lot of fat, and if you use olive oil instead of butter, you get the benefit of having less saturated fat in your dish. When learning about nutrition and how to eat healthy, a good place to start is by looking at a food pyramid. In my opinion, the easiest one to understand and follow is the current one by My Plate. It shows recommendations for the proportions of each food group you should eat with every meal. As you can see, half the plate is for fruits and vegetables, and the other half is for grains and protein. People should eat 1 to 2 cups of fruit a day. Things that are in the food group are fresh fruit, canned fruit, frozen fruit, dried fruit, and 100% fruit juice. Everyone also needs to eat somewhere between 1 and 3 cups of vegetables a day. Some things that are in the vegetable group are fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables, canned vegetables, dried or dehydrated vegetables, and 100% vegetable juice. The next section of the plate is the grain section. You should eat between 3 and 8 ounces of grain a day. Some examples of grain are rice, cornmeal, bread, pasta, cereal, tortillas, oatmeal, and popcorn. Another important food group is protein. Foods that fall into the protein category are meat, poultry, seafood, beans, eggs, nuts, and seeds. In general, people should eat between 2 and 6.5 ounces a day. The last section on the My Plate diagram is dairy. You should eat less dairy than the other food groups. This is why the dairy section is represented in a glass next to the plate. You should eat somewhere between 2 and 3 cups of dairy a day. Some things that belong in the dairy food group are milk, yogurt, cheese, and calcium-fortified soy milk. Thanks for watching! I hope you had fun and enjoyed our time together. If you're interested, check out the other videos on my channel and take a look at my website. It's linked in the description. Don't forget, when eating healthy, you can't go wrong in keeping your body nice and strong.